Hi, my name is Mackenzie and welcome back. This is a tutorial for the second quest. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a combat unit with your Revelations AI. First, you need to know that integer variables hold whole numbers. You can use them to store prices of things by making 4 of them. In order to build a combat unit, you're going to need to test to see if you have the resources to build a unit. To do this, you're going to need to use an if statement. An if statement is a certain point in the to-do list that will only take place if certain circumstances are met. The circumstance that will be tested is in the parentheses in front of the word if in the program. If the circumstance in those parentheses is true, then the code in the brackets after the if statement will be executed. The circumstances you will be using are have metal, have timber, have manufactured materials, and have food functions. These functions return true or false depending on whether or not you have the resources that you put in. You then need to enter the town name so that the program knows which town to check for resources in. If you can do one if statement, it makes sense that you can put another if statement into that one, so it will only be executed if the first one does. You can think of it as a series of gateways. This is called a nested if statement. You can use this feature to set up a series of if statements to test to see if you have all 4 resources. If all of the conditions to the if statements are met, then the program will execute the code in the brackets of the innermost if statement. Finally, use the build combat unit command to build your combat unit. This can be seen in the sidebar. Run the program and refresh your browser to check to see if you have successfully built your unit and completed the quest.